guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video we are doing a clean with me, so I have lots to get done today. I also want to be sharing some cleaning hacks with you guys. So I am currently doing my voiceover outside, so if you hear cars go by or birds chirping in the background, it is such a beautiful day here in North Carolina. It is about 73 degrees and I just really wanted to enjoy outside as much as I can today, so I decided to go ahead and finish this video with doing my voiceover outside. So just wanted to make a disclaimer there just in case you do hear something different in the background. But of course we started by making the bed, and like I said at the beginning, I am going to share some cleaning hacks with you guys. I don't know, the YouTube algorithm definitely doesn't like me whenever I do like a video specifically on just a hacks video, so I thought I would just do like a clean with me and just incorporate hacks that I do on my day-to-day just to make things a little bit easier, and I just want to share it with you guys here today. But like I was saying, the first thing I did today was make my bed, and that is definitely one of my first cleaning hacks, is to always make your bed. It's something about making a bed definitely helps you not get back in it, but it also helps you get motivated to tackle different tasks throughout the day. It is definitely science driven, so something I definitely didn't come up with. There's definitely lots of information out there that you can read on the importance of making your bed, so I definitely highly recommend that. So as I am trying to navigate and create like a new cleaning routine in such a bigger space, if you are new here, we recently moved from like a 1,300 square foot apartment to a 2,500 square foot home. So we definitely have doubled our space, and I'm just trying to figure out the best cleaning routine. But one hack or one tip that I can give you is to definitely have some type of routine. Very important that you have like one day that you're doing all of your vacuuming, one day you're deep cleaning your bathrooms. I'm starting to learn that when you're working with a much bigger space, it's definitely important to categorize and to also have like certain days for certain things, because when I lived in the apartment, I could get pretty much everything done. Since it was in such a small space, I can get everything done within like an hour and a half, and that was deep cleaning, and I was good to go. But definitely working with a much bigger space, it is definitely not the same, so I'm having to figure out the best way possible. I have noticed that maybe detail cleaning the downstairs and then having another day for the upstairs is going to be something I'm going to have to do. I don't know, I'm trying to figure that out and navigate that. But one tip that I would definitely give is to have some type of routine and try different things to figure out what works best for you. It doesn't necessarily mean something that works, for me is going to work great for you. So I would definitely recommend trying to play around with everything and just to get a feel for what makes you less stressed and a little bit more motivated, and definitely satisfied after getting the house cleaned. that we are in the bathroom, I am doing a lot of deep cleaning in here. So you just see me wipe down the sinks. Now I'm going to detail clean the bathroom toilet, and then we are going to also deep clean the shower as well. And another hack or tip I wanted to give you guys is to definitely have your cleaning products, especially for the bathrooms, actually in the bathroom. So if you have 3 bathrooms, have 3 sets of cleaning products or cleaning items, so that way you're not having to walk back and forth. I have seen some people carry caddies around, and I've honestly thought about that, just because with working with such a bigger space, I've noticed that it is a lot more walking and going here and there trying to make sure I have all my cleaning supplies. But I definitely recommend that, especially for the bathrooms, definitely keep something underneath the sink or in the closet in that space, so that way if you need to do some touch-ups throughout the week, outside of your deep cleaning, you'll definitely have it right there, and you're more motivated to actually, if you need to clean the toilet bowl, you're more motivated to clean it if you have the toilet bowl cleaner like right beside you, or a couple of steps to the sink where you can grab your toilet brush and your toilet bowl cleaner. So that's definitely one tip and hack that I would definitely recommend in regards to cleaning your bathroom.
Nothing at all about what's going down. Oh, like a shipwreck, I caught the sails loose. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes, while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and time is running out for me. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not just only in my dreams. Oh, if I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not just only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. Oh, if I could. Oh, if I could. Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now.
So the next space we're going to work on is the living room. I'm just going to tackle the couch. This couch definitely gives me a run for my money in regards to, I love it looking clean and crisp, and when it looks wrinkled or it looks like we've slept on it for 3 days, it drives me crazy. But I'm going to go ahead and clean the couch up, and then we're going to vacuum in here, and I also want to clean off the coffee table as well. Still lots of things I want to add to this space, or sort of change up, but definitely just enjoying the space as is for now. Another tip, going back to like the cleaning supplies and stuff, definitely recommend condensing your cleaning supplies to maybe 2 or 3 things you use to clean everything within your house. So for me, I use like an all-purpose cleaner to clean pretty much all of my furniture, wiping down the tables and everything else. So I try to keep it very simple. It definitely helps me, stay a little bit more motivated, but also makes it less chaotic whenever I am cleaning a space. So I pretty much use just like an all-purpose cleaner. I have changed to Method just for a little bit, but I normally do Mrs. Meyer's, but I would definitely recommend that. And then maybe having you like a polish if you want to polish your furniture, but I would definitely keep it as simple as possible, especially when you are creating your cleaning routine, to where it doesn't seem too overwhelming for you. So highly recommend that.
It's impressive how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, that's impressive how much I'm messing see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my
Another tip I wanted to talk about is just to tackle the small things. So there's so many times that you might walk over a stain, or you might, walk past a stain on the wall, or, you'll say, oh, I need to organize that drawer, and then just come back to it later. Instead of choosing one particular day to tackle all of these different things, I highly recommend you, whenever you are doing like your basic cleaning, if you see one thing that, hey, it's going to take me maybe 2 minutes to get it done, go ahead and get it done. So for example, I knew that we had marked up the wall a couple of times, and I just kept walking past it, but it literally took me 30 seconds to wipe the wall with a magic eraser, and it was good to go. So definitely don't skip over those small details within your house that you can actually take care of within a minute or two, because they do pile up, and then after a while you're just like, forget it. So I do recommend that you just tackle those small things. Like here, I noticed that there was a spot on the cabinet, so I just went ahead and wiped it down instead of just waiting. Oh, I'll just do that whenever I clean all of my cabinets, and then I'm having to take forever to actually clean the cabinets. So I don't know. I just wanted to say, definitely pay attention to the small things so that they don't add up, and then it'll make it a lot easier, especially when you go and deep clean.
In my bed, 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Wide awake is the way that I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side. I know you have questions, I don't have answers, clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure, 'cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try. You find it distracting, hold Nothing's ever enough, even if I try and try too hard. Tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just tried, if we just tried. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try. We can do better, baby, I believe. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. We can do it better, baby, I believe. I believe. Even if I try so hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try so hard. Tell me what you do now. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try. I'm not gonna play nice. I'll be the witch you tell your friends about.
The next thing and the last thing I wanted to recommend or talk about in regards to cleaning is to get those gadgets that make your life a lot easier. So for example, I have a wet vac here, so it vacuums and mops all at the same time, and it just makes cleaning so much easier, especially with tackling such a bigger space. So I would definitely say try to invest, as much as you can in regards to making cleaning and maintaining your home. Definitely purchase those bigger items if you can. Like, I know some people do like the automatic vacuum cleaner, the iRobot, I think that's what it's called, but there's all types of gadgets out there. Definitely do like your research as much as possible so you're not wasting money, but I definitely recommend trying to find things that, one, make it a little bit more exciting to clean, but also making sure that you're enjoying your home outside of the cleaning. So just wanted to give you guys some cleaning tips and hacks. I hope you guys have stayed to the end, and of course, thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
It's all about me. Don't get